My name is Stacey Brook, and I'm the founder and chief advisor at College Essay Advisors, and today I'm going to talk to you about the dangers of writing an essay about volunteering. We here at College Essay Advisors truly believe that there is no such thing as a topic that's off limits, really. However, when you're writing an essay about volunteering or community service, you have to have a really amazing reason to write about this subject. And the reason that is because many people write about this. And that's okay. You can write about it as long as you're writing about it from a hyper-personal perspective. You want to be able to dig deep into the stories within your stories. And what I mean by that is, don't just talk about the overall volunteering effort that you participated in and describe it on a broad level. Talk about a relationship you made with another person, some new unexpected discovery you had, something that's going to say more about you and how you interact with people, and something that's going to be more memorable, easier for an admissions officer to hook into than just some generalities about what it's like to volunteer.